Hello, in this video, I will explain to you on how to solve this problem. So let's read the question first. Water runs into a conical tank at the rate of 9 feet cubed per minute. The tank stands point down and has a height of 10 feet and a base radius of 5 feet. How fast is the water level rising when the water is 6 feet deep? So here is the diagram, and the green part here is the water. And because the tank is in a conical shape, the water here also has the shape of a cone, right? So let's start with that. We need to find out the volume of the water. Volume of the water. And remember that the water has a shape of a cone. So we need to write the formula for the volume of a cone. So the volume of a cone is 1/3 of pi multiplied by the radius squared multiplied by the height. But let's see the label that is given here by the problem. So the radius here is x and the height is y. So we can just plug that in. So we'll have v here is equal to 1/3 pi, and then this one here is x squared, and this height of the water here is y. Good. I think we can stop here. And we need to find out a way to write this as a one variable function. Okay. And if you see here, the middle of the cone here, between the cone of the water and the tank, it is a similar triangle, right? And it is drawn with this blue triangle here. And we can use the principles of similar triangles. Similar triangles. Remember the ratio between sides, right? So here the x, when compared to this side, so I have x divided by 5, that will equal to this side here, this side. So we'll have y divided by all of this, right? The height of the tank. So I will have 10 like this. Okay. And I want to isolate that for x, right? So we will have x is equal to 5 over 10 multiplied by y. But 5 and 10 will cancel into 2 here. So we will have x is equal to y over 2. Good. And now let's substitute this back into the volume of the water. Okay, let's do substitution. Substitution. Okay, so we will have the volume here. 1/3 multiplied by pi, I just write it pi over 3. And then x squared, but the x is y over 2. So we'll have y over 2 squared. Good. And then multiplied by y. So I have y here. And then let's simplify this. We will have pi over 3. Then multiplied by y squared divided by 2 squared. That will be 4. Then multiplied by y. So we will have the final form here. The volume of the water, that will be pi over 12 multiplied by y to the third power. Okay, let's work with this function here, right? Because this is the most important function in this question. Good. Okay, now let's clean this up. Okay, now we have this function here. And remember that the volume is a function of time, right? Because we fill this and the volume will be changing over time. And y is the height. And when we fill the water, the height is also increasing, right? So y is also changing over time. And we can take the derivative of this function with respect to time. So take derivatives with respect to t. Okay. So in the left hand side, the derivative of this with respect of time is of course dv over dt, right? And then on the right hand side here, I will have pi over 12 Good. And we can use the power rule to take this derivative. So I will have 3y squared. But remember, y is also a function of time. So we need to use the chain rule. So we need to multiply this by the derivative of y. So we will have dy dt like this. Good. Now 3 and 12 will cancel into 4. And let's simplify this one here. So we will have dv over dt. And then we will have pi over 4. And then multiplied by y squared. And then dy dt. Okay, let's see the question here. How fast is the water level rising when the water is 6 feet deep? So how fast is the y rising? How fast is the y rising is this part here. So let's isolate this part. So we will have dy over dt. That will equal to, I think we will have 4 and then divided by, okay, 4 divided by pi y squared, like this, and then multiplied by dv over dt. Right? Let's check. So I have 4. Yeah, I think I don't make a mistake here. Okay, now what we need to do is to plug the numerical values, right? So we need to plug numerical values. You should plug the numerical values the last step. Don't do it too early. So we need to find out how fast is the water level rising when the water is 6 feet deep. Okay, so we'll have dy over dt here. And the question is asking us when the y here is 6 feet. So we have y is 6. Okay, so we'll have 4 divided by pi. And remember that y here is 6. So we'll have 6 squared multiplied by dv dt. And remember the debit here of the water that goes into the tank is constant. So I will have 9 there. 9. And we will have 4 multiplied by 9. That will be 36 divided by 6 squared is 36. So I have 36 of pi. 36 and 36 will be cancelled into 1. So we will have 1 over pi. Okay, but what is 1 over pi? Let's calculate that. Okay, 1 over pi. 1 divided by pi. Okay, I will have 0.32. Okay, so we have 0.32. And what is the unit? Remember that we have dy over dt. The unit of y here is in feet. Okay, feet. And the unit of time here is in minutes. So I will have feet per minute. Good. And I think that's all. This is the final answer for this problem, which is 0.32 feet per minute. Okay, I think that's all for this problem. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.